Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. So first of all, you guys need to search for VLC Media Player in any kind of browser, just like I'm using Google Chrome. Now here you can see that the VLC for Windows option, right? You guys need to click on that. Now here you can see that download VLC. So it's official website of VLC Media Player. So you guys can download the VLC Media Player from this website. Okay guys, so after selecting that, here you can see that thanks, your download will start in a few seconds. So you guys need to wait a few seconds to see that your download will be started. Now here you can see that your download is successfully started, right? So it's downloaded, as you guys can see on the screen. So you guys need to open the file. So after clicking on the file, you can see you need to wait for a few seconds until the installation dialog box pop up. Okay, now here you can see that installer language. It's telling me to select a language, so I'm just going to select English. And now here I'm just following the next step. You guys also need to do that. So it's a simple and basic things. Now here you can see that select the type of installation. I'm selecting the custom, and all other plugins I'm going to add. Okay guys, now I'm just you have to select the destination folder where you want to install. Okay, and then now press next. So here you can see that it's being installed and the installation is finished. So I hope you guys, this is how you can install or download and install VLC Media Player in your desktop. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.